Hi guys, I am so excited for today's video. First of all, it's long overdue, but I am going to be updating you guys on my coding experience. So some of you may remember I signed up for a coding bootcamp back in September. It's been finished. I am on to the next steps, and I wanted to share with you guys the first part of my journey of learning to code. So quick recap, if you guys aren't familiar, I signed up for SheCodes intro bootcamp that teaches HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, basically just some coding knowledge for beginners, specifically for women, because their goal is to reduce the gender gap that exists in the technology space. I've always had an interest in tech. I've always had an interest in learning to code. My first internship ever was at a coding bootcamp in Montreal, so I've always been fascinated by it ever since, because I saw firsthand the way that learning to code can change your life, can change your career, and can make you a lot of money. I discovered SheCodes through Instagram ads. Actually, they targeted me with their Instagram ads, and I thought it was so interesting because I am all for anything that closes gender gaps, whether that's in business, in tech, anything like that that is just women empowering. I am all for that. So I took the intro bootcamp. It took me a bit longer than expected, but I wanted to share with you guys my experience as well as talk about what the next steps are, because I know a lot of you guys were interested at the beginning. Some of you even did it alongside me, and I'd love to continue this journey together. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you guys can stick around for the final updates as well as some updates throughout. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let's get into it. Okay, so the SheCodes intro course is a 3-week course where you learn the basics about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You follow lessons that are 100% online, and you're also added into a Slack group where you can get live support. If ever you have any questions, you post your question in the chat and someone answers you really fast with support. So I really like that. I was a bit nervous about doing a pre-recorded course, but the Slack group really makes you feel like you're part of a community, and it really helps having that support in real time to complement the lessons. The other good thing about the lessons being pre-recorded means you can do them whenever you want. So I would sometimes do them in the morning, sometimes in the evening, sometimes on the weekends, and you can go back. So if you missed something, you can go back in the video. You can also pause it while you're working. So if he shows you how to do something, the instructor, Matt, if Matt shows you how to do something, what I would often do is pause the video, go do it in my VS Code, in my coding app, and then cross-reference to stay on track and learn that way. So I thought it was really fun. I loved how quickly you see results because you're basically building stuff. So right away from the first week, you're writing code, you're building little web interfaces, and you're oh my God, I'm doing this. And it's super empowering and exciting. So the course is split up into 3 weeks. The first week is HTML, so you learn all the basics of HTML. I actually thought the first week was the hardest. I really had a hard time finishing the homework that week, and I'm not even gonna lie, at first I got really discouraged because I was this is so hard, I'm not cut out for this, how am I gonna do it? But then things got easier the second week, and my confidence just went back up. The second week you learn CSS, which is really fun because it's a little bit more design focused, so you learn how to make things look pretty and change the color of things, add pictures. And then in the last week, you learn JavaScript, which is what allows you to actually interact with the website. So making buttons that you can click on and that something happens when you click on it. It's really super cool. I thought it was a little bit similar to math, but the fun part of math where you're doing functions and solving for X and then X happens. It's obviously not the same as that, but it gives you that same satisfaction feeling when you solve for X and you're X is 2, I know I got this. When you see that your code works, it's a really cool feeling. So after the 3-week course, you complete a homework, which is to build a web page about something that interests you. So I built mine about my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna open up my project and show you guys. Let's do a screen record. Okay, so it's not a design course, and this is an intro course, so it's not the most beautiful thing ever, but I was able to make, the text bigger, make it italic, add emojis, center things. I was able to add this picture here of my logo. This watch here is actually a link so you guys can see as I'm hovering over it. The underline appears and you can click on it and it will lead you to my YouTube channel. So here I am. That's pretty cool. If you go back to the page, you have the subscribe button here, and you can see when you hover over it, it actually becomes a little bit lighter. And if you click on this text box appears. It's getting cut off at the top, but it says, what is your name? So this is where JavaScript comes in. So you go ahead and enter your name, Zoe, asks for your email address. So zoelove3@gmail.com, business inquiries only. And you press OK. And then it says, thanks Zoe, we'll send you the link. So that's really, really cool. There's no actual link that gets sent. You learn that later on in the other workshops, but you're able to build it so that you can interact with the page. And the last thing I'll show you guys is down here in this tiny text. You can see when I hover over the link, the text changes color. And if I click on it, oh, the link didn't work. Okay, well, it's supposed to lead to my Instagram, but so all of that, to be able to build a web page like that, you are able to learn in 3 weeks, which is so cool. It's so empowering. And these are skills that can be applied to many, many, many different jobs. And eventually, if you continue on with the boot camps, you can even get a job in tech as a web developer. So I'm gonna show you guys next what VS Code looks like, which is the coding editing software that we use. So let me screen record again. So I'm going to open up VS Code. Now, this is what you've probably seen before, this black screen that kind of looks scary. And what's really fun is you learn how to actually use this app, navigate it, and even write code. So I'm going to open my final project. Oh, I moved it. Okay. I'm going to drag my project in so you guys can now see on my screen. Voila. So now you guys can see all of my code here. So I wrote all of this code and you guys can do the same. It's so cool. It looks really complicated, but the way Matt, the instructor, breaks things down is really, really simple, and you can follow along easily and feel really confident when you're writing code like this. All of this in the top here is the CSS. So that is everything to do with styling. You guys can see like color, text align, and then further down you have the HTML, which is where you input the text and actually like the content of what is on the page. And at the bottom here, you have the JavaScript, which is where that pop-up box comes in and you're able to code that. So I'm very excited for what's next. I'm going to be continuing on to the next part of the SheCodes workshop, which is called SheCodes Plus. The final step after that is SheCodes Plus React, where you get to learn React, but baby steps, you know? So there is a big jump between the beginner workshop, which is 3 weeks, to the full workshop, which is 3 months, but I'm really excited to dive in. I have some lessons learned and some learning by yourself tips I'm gonna share at the end of the video. But before we get into that, I have some like frequently asked questions that I spoke with SheCodes about that I wanted to address in this video so that you guys can make an informed decision of if this is something you wanna sign up for. I wanna give you guys all the info required because I would love for you to sign up and do it with me. Okay, so here are the frequently asked questions that I asked. I'm just gonna read them off of my computer. So the price for the SheCodes Plus or the SheCodes Plus React workshop is a lot more than the intro one because it's 3 months. So my first question was, can the payments be split up? The answer is yes, you get to split them up into increments. I believe she said, yeah, she said you can pay them in 3 monthly installments for SheCodes Plus and in 4 monthly installments for SheCodes Plus React. So once a month you can make your payment, which is very fair. I also, just a note on paying, I think it helps you to commit when you actually pay for something. There's lots of free resources out there when it comes to learning how to code, but when you actually give money for something, I think 1, you're getting a better service, and 2, you are buying into it, and so you are like committing to yourself, like I'm gonna pay for this and I'm gonna get something out of it, I'm gonna commit to it. That's personally how I see things. On the good news, I have a code for you guys so you can get 20% off of your workshop. If you've already done the intro workshop, I have a different code that gives you 20% off of your upgrade. So those will both be linked down below. You can message me or email me at any time if you need that code, but you can save 20%, which is sweet. So the next question, which I think is one of the biggest questions, is what kind of opportunities exist after the bootcamp? Can I get a job in tech? Can I work freelance? These were questions that I had and that I know some of my friends who were asking me about the bootcamp had as well. So this is what Daniela from SheCodes had to say. After finishing our beginner course, students will have a good understanding of the workings of the internet and be able to better communicate with developers. So after the course that I took, you're not ready to work in tech, you're ready to keep going on your learning. And you can also, if you work in an industry that works with developers, which is pretty much every industry, you're able to better communicate that with them, which is a good skill to have on its own. Then she said, after completing our JavaScript Plus workshop, so SheCodes Plus, you should be able to get a job in tech, and if they complete the Plus React, they should be able to get a development internship or an entry-level junior developer role. So basically they do equip you with the tools you need to be successful in a tech role. Personally, I think that there are little things you can do to like complement your learning and get yourself job ready. But overall, it's like a really good foundation, and it's actually a really affordable foundation to get you ready for a job if you compare to other coding boot camps that can cost up to $10,000 or even more in the United States. I know there are some that are like 25 grand. Now, when it comes to freelancing, this is what Daniela had to say, and this was also my experience when I worked at a coding boot camp. It's always best to go work in the industry for a little bit and have a job within a company before you work freelance, because you're able to communicate with more experienced developers and engineers and learn from them before getting ready to work freelance. But she did say they have a couple girls who graduated from SheCodes and went straight into freelance. So it's not an option, but they always recommend that you go work in a company. And it was the same at the boot camp that I worked at as well. That's what they recommend. Overall, I just think it's really cool that by doing a 3-month program, you can basically start a career change into an industry that is growing like crazy, that has very good job security, and that also pays and compensates overall in terms of benefits and treatment of employees extremely well. The next question is, how am I certified? Is this bootcamp recognized? So it is not recognized by an institution like a university, but at the end of the workshop, you get a certificate that you can put on LinkedIn that is recognized. And from my own experience, I know that a lot of companies hiring developers, there are many that don't really care how you acquired your skills. They just care that you have those skills, and they'll be judging you based off of a portfolio. So then I asked Daniela how, we can start getting this portfolio experience. And basically, SheCodes doesn't build you a portfolio, but it gives you the skills you need to build your own portfolio. So once you graduate and alongside taking the course, you can start working on building your portfolio, which is something I'm very excited for because I love being creative and I love doing projects. So that is super exciting to start building your portfolio if you want to go out and look for jobs after the bootcamp. Okay, my last question for her was, what difference does React make? Because there's SheCodes Plus and then there's SheCodes Plus React. So what she had to say was that React is super in demand in the development world, and it's used by companies like Facebook, Instagram, Uber, Tesla, and Skype. And that with React, you learn how to build apps for the web, for iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and even Xbox. So you're able to build apps on React. And I have heard that this is a very in-demand skill by employers who are looking for tech talent. So that's everything for my Q&A. I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions, you can let me know, or you can contact SheCodes directly. They're very, very friendly. They've answered so many of my questions along the way, and it's been a super enjoyable process working with them. So I want to close this video with some lessons learned from kind of self-learning that I did with the bootcamp. Obviously, the first one is a lot shorter than the next one, so I want to make sure things go smoothly for myself, and I think my lessons learned can help you guys as well. So this bootcamp is part-time. They say that you should attribute about 5 hours a week in order to finish the bootcamp on schedule. I did not finish the bootcamp on schedule. I got a bit anxious throughout it, and I thought, like I said, I couldn't do it at one point. I felt like I was too busy, and I realized that if I had just given myself a set schedule and I said every day or every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm going to take my coding class, I think I would have had a lot more success in finishing things quickly. Basically, how I approached it was I was like, whenever I have time, I'll work on it, but there's never time when you consider things that way. You have to make time for things. So going into the next round, I think I'm gonna have Tuesdays be my coding day. So every Tuesday night, I'm gonna pretend like it's a live class that I have to tune into, and tune into my coding workshop every Tuesday night, and then probably do homework time either on the weekends. I'm not sure about my schedule yet, but I think scheduling is really important to hold you accountable. The next thing that really helps is having an accountability buddy. So I did sign up with a few of my friends, and we all kind of fell off the wagon because we weren't like holding each other accountable. So I think it's important to be strict with yourself and with your friends and say like, hey, there's a reason we signed up for this. There's an end goal at the end of this, and keep that in mind all throughout the process. It's definitely not easy, but it is fun. And I think, if I can finish it with a full-time consulting job, working on my YouTube, like in every spare minute that I have, and I can find time to finish this workshop, I definitely think you guys are able to as well. Like I said, it's not easy, but it's definitely worth it. The results that you can get at the end of this are simply amazing. I'm excited to see what the workshop brings for myself, and I'm excited to see what it brings for you guys as well. So if you're interested in signing up, I'm going to be starting the SheCodes Plus workshop on February 15th. That's my start date. So if you want to choose the same one as me, that'd be so fun. You can message me on Instagram and we can like coordinate. I had made a Slack group for the girls that did it with me the first time, but the group kind of died. So I don't know if I'm going to do that again, but we can just like stay in touch via Instagram or email, motivate each other. I think it's going to be super, super awesome. So overall, this isn't sponsored, like these are completely my own opinions, but I just believe that this is an awesome investment in yourself, in your future, and I am all for anything where the boys are trying to take over and we're like, no boys, make room. That's how I feel about this too. So super fun, super awesome. Thank you so much to SheCodes for offering such a great service, making it super fun, and for providing me with some discount links for my beautiful subscribers. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Stay tuned for the vlogs where I will be posting coding updates, and let's go, February 15th. Thanks guys, bye.